Hey guys, welcome back. DripCoach here with Drip and Farm for Poverty, where we don't trust, we verify, and operate with integrity and transparency. Today we got an update on the homepage of the Digital Crypto Solutions website, specifically focusing on the Bitcoin price and the amazing value that you can get utilizing the crypto or digital crypto wallets on this platform. So stay tuned.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the deep dive. Today we are going to be talking about Bitcoin, but not just Bitcoin, like how to acquire it, even if you're on a budget.
Yeah.
And then how to kind of take those small holdings and turn them into something much larger.
Yeah, definitely. We'll be taking a look at kind of some new digital solutions in the crypto space to amplify a classic strategy like dollar cost averaging.
Okay.
So we'll be looking at some articles on Bitcoin's value. We'll look at information on a Bitcoin wallet and then some market data from CoinMarketCap.
Very cool. Very cool. So one of the articles we're looking at mentioned someone who got like $100 worth of Bitcoin back in 2020.
Okay.
And today that same Bitcoin is worth about $575.
Wow.
Yeah. But if they held on to that $100 in cash due to inflation, it would only be worth around $78.
Yeah, that's the thing about Bitcoin. It's proven to be really resilient against inflation.
Right.
And so we're talking about potentially multiplying your investment several times over in just a few years.
Yeah, for sure. So how do we even tap into this potential, especially if we don't have like a ton of money to just throw around? I mean, we've all heard of dollar cost averaging.
Yeah.
You know, consistently investing small amounts over time.
To reduce risk.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
But is there a way to like kick this strategy into overdrive?
Yeah, so that's where this Bitcoin wallet comes in.
Okay.
It's designed to give you a high return, upwards of 30%.
No, whoa.
Just for holding Bitcoin in it?
30% just for keeping my Bitcoin in this wallet.
Yeah.
How is that even possible?
So the magic lies in the structure of the wallet. It's built on what's called a layer 2 solution.
Sure.
Kind of similar to the Lightning Network, but with a focus on rewarding users.
Yeah.
The transaction fees that are generated by the wallet's network fuel these high yields, so it makes the whole system sustainable.
So instead of like a traditional bank profiting, it's the users who benefit from the network's activity.
Yeah.
I like that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And this leads us to kind of the really exciting part, which is being able to buy Bitcoin at a discount within the wallet's marketplace.
Okay, discount Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Now you've got my attention.
Right.
Tell me more.
So imagine a marketplace that's built into the wallet where you can buy and sell Bitcoin at prices below market value.
Wow.
And the system caters to different types of users.
Yeah.
So some people want to cash out for quick gains. Other people want to steadily accumulate Bitcoin over time. And then you have like the traders who capitalize on the price differences for quick profit.
So you have like the degens looking for fast gains,
Yeah.
the hoe dealers in it for the long haul, and the traders just playing the market.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's a win-win situation for everyone. Everyone gets what they want while they're supporting the wallet's ecosystem.
Right. Keeps it dynamic.
Yeah.
Benefits all the players.
Exactly.
This all sounds fantastic, but are there any risks that I should be aware of?
Like with any investment, there are always risks involved.
Of course.
So it's really critical to do your research, understand how this particular wallet works.
Right.
The source material emphasizes using verification tools to ensure that you're interacting with like legitimate platforms and stuff.
It's important to be cautious.
Yes.
Especially in the world of crypto.
Yeah, for sure. Knowledge is power.
Yes.
We want to give you the information that you need to navigate this exciting world and make smart decisions.
So even with a smaller budget, I can start acquiring Bitcoin.
Yeah.
And potentially benefit from its growth over time.
Yes.
And this wallet offers a way to like speed up that accumulation process.
Exactly. You can think of it as like leveling up in a game.
Okay.
You know, you start as a minnow, but with the right strategy, you grow into a small fish, then a dolphin, maybe a shark, all the way up to a whale.
I love that analogy. This deep dive has definitely opened my eyes to a whole new way of approaching Bitcoin. It seems like, yeah, even small, consistent investments, especially with a tool like this wallet, can really add up.
That's the beauty of dollar cost averaging, combined with these new digital solutions.
Right.
It makes participating in Bitcoin a lot more accessible, even if you're not starting with a huge investment.
Okay, we've covered a lot of ground so far, so before we dive into the specifics of this unique Bitcoin wallet, let's take a quick break to let all this information sink in.
Sounds good.
We'll be right back to explore how this wallet can help you level up your Bitcoin game.
All right. So before the break, we were talking about how this Bitcoin wallet can actually help you accumulate Bitcoin even if you're on a smaller budget.
Right. Yeah. I'm really interested in that auto dealer strategy that you mentioned.
Okay.
Just like steadily growing my Bitcoin holdings.
Right.
Without having to put large sums of money up front.
Yeah, it's a really smart approach in a market like Bitcoin, especially when prices fluctuate so much.
For sure.
So this Wallets Marketplace allows you to purchase something called credits.
Credits.
Credits, yeah.
Okay.
And think of those as like tokens that are directly tied to Bitcoin.
Okay.
At a 1-to-1 ratio.
So if I buy 1 credit, it's like buying 1 Bitcoin.
Exactly.
Okay.
But remember how we were talking about getting Bitcoin at a discount?
Right.
So that's where the credits come in?
Okay.
So these credits are actually offered at a discount in the marketplace.
So it's like getting Bitcoin on sale.
Exactly.
What kind of discounts are we talking about here?
It really depends,
Yeah.
Depends on market conditions, what sellers are offering, but you could find discounts anywhere from a few percentage points up to as much as 8.5%.
8.5% off Bitcoin.
Yeah, according to one of our sources.
That's a steal.
That's a pretty significant saving.
Yeah. Yeah.
And here's the best part. These credits are eventually converted into actual Bitcoin by the wallet.
Oh, okay.
So you're essentially locking in a much lower purchase price.
So even if the price of Bitcoin goes up,
Yeah.
I'm still getting it at that lower rate.
Exactly. It's a way to like manage risk and stretch your buying power
Okay. Okay.
by buying credits at a discount and holding them until they convert to Bitcoin. You're basically supercharging your dollar cost averaging strategy.
Now I'm starting to see how this whole leveling up from a minnow to a whale thing is possible.
Yeah.
By consistently buying these credits at a discount and letting them become Bitcoin.
Exactly.
You're just gradually building your holdings over time, even with smaller investments.
It's all about playing the long game.
Right.
And using these tools to your advantage.
I think as one of the articles said, consistently investing even just $20 a month
Yeah.
in Bitcoin.
Regardless of the price.
Right. And just holding on to it could potentially put you on a path to,
Financial freedom.
Yeah, exactly.
Imagine if you were amplifying those $20 investments
Right.
by acquiring Bitcoin at a discount through this wallets marketplace.
Right.
It's like adding a turbo boost.
Yeah. This wallet seems to really change the way that people think about investing in Bitcoin.
Yeah, it's not just for the wealthy or tech savvy anymore.
Yeah.
It's for anyone who's willing to learn and use these new strategies.
For sure. But with all these exciting possibilities,
Right.
we can't forget that there's always risks involved.
Always.
Yeah.
It's crucial to research this wallet thoroughly, understand how it works, use the verification tools,
Right.
make sure that you're interacting with a legitimate platform.
Security is super important in the crypto world. Like one wrong click could lead you down a rabbit hole
It could.
of scams and lost funds.
For sure. So that's why we emphasize education
Right.
and informed decision making.
Yes.
We're not here to tell you what to do.
Yeah.
We just want to equip you with the knowledge that you need to navigate this space safely and effectively.
Become informed and savvy investors.
Yes.
Who can make their own choices.
Exactly.
I like that. And remember, this is just one wallet.
Right.
There's a whole world of Bitcoin beyond this.
There are other tools and resources and communities out there
Yeah.
just waiting to be explored.
Do your own research. See what's out there.
Yeah.
Find the path that works best for you.
Exactly.
All right, well, we unpack a lot about this unique Bitcoin wallet and how it can help you accumulate Bitcoin over time. But we've got a few more things to cover before we wrap up today's deep dive. All right, so we've talked a lot about how to start acquiring Bitcoin, even if you're on a budget,
Yeah.
and how dollar cost averaging and this really cool wallet can,
Help amplify those results.
Yeah, exactly. This whole concept of a wallet that like generates yield
Yeah.
and lets you buy and sell Bitcoin below market price is still mind-blowing to me.
Yeah, it's definitely disruptive.
For sure.
But like anything new, got to approach it with excitement, but also a healthy dose of caution.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely.
Always do your research, understand the risks,
Yeah,
and never invest more than you can afford to lose.
right. Knowledge is power in the crypto world.
For sure.
Take the time to really learn, explore, and connect with others who share that interest in Bitcoin.
Yeah, there's a vibrant community out there,
Yeah.
both online and offline,
Yeah, for sure.
ready to share their knowledge and experiences.
Ask questions.
Yeah, don't be afraid to ask.
Yeah.
The collective wisdom and support in the Bitcoin community is so valuable,
Yeah.
especially when you're just starting out.
For sure. So as we wrap up this deep dive, I want to leave our listeners with a thought.
Okay.
Imagine yourself 4 years from now,
Okay.
looking back on your decision to invest in Bitcoin. What will your story be?
Will you be the one who took the leap and embraced those new opportunities and saw your holdings flourish?
Right.
Or are you going to be filled with regret,
Yeah.
wishing you took action when the entry point was more accessible?
The choice is yours, my friend.
It is.
But we've given you the knowledge and the tools you need to navigate this exciting world.
Now it's up to you to take that next step.
Exactly. So check out the links in our show notes.
Yeah.
Explore this Bitcoin wallet yourself. Keep learning. The future of finance is being shaped as we speak.
It is.
And Bitcoin is at the forefront
Of
that revolution.
That's right.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much for joining us for this deep dive into the world of Bitcoin, specifically acquiring it on a budget.
It's been a pleasure.
We hope you feel empowered to begin your own Bitcoin journey. Until next time, keep learning
Keep exploring.
and keep diving deep. Hey, everyone, and welcome back.
And live daily and achieve your impossible. See ya. Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? SPRITZ Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real-world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now